Tired of your Word documents looking like a midnight snack in dark mode, especially when you need to print or just want a break from the dark? You're probably enjoying Word's dark mode, which is great for reducing eye strain, but sometimes you just need a crisp white page. Here's how to get it back without turning off dark mode entirely. First, let's open up Microsoft Word. We'll need to access the Programs settings. Go to the File tab in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Options. This will open the Word Options window, where we can customize how Word behaves. Now, in the Word Options window, make sure you're on the General tab. Look for the section titled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. You'll see an option for Office theme. If you're in dark mode, it will be selected. Now, the magic happens. See this checkbox right below it that says Disable Dark Mode for document content. Go ahead and check that box. Click OK to apply the changes, and there you have it. Your document page is now a beautiful, clean white, while the rest of your Word interface stays in dark mode. This is perfect for when you're drafting content, making edits, or preparing to print, all while retaining your preferred dark theme for the application itself. This setting is fantastic for readability and ensures your printed documents won't have that awkward dark background. You've now optimized your Word experience for those specific needs without compromising your dark mode preference.